Take command of the road in the 2009 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.